standard. 3/8, half inch, 3/8 impact, 1/4 inch, gear wrench, twisted sockets, 1/4 inch, extra deep, half inch drive 12 point, standard chromes. Is all. Now keys and Torx. This is the metric. Equivalents. It's a standard wrench drawer. Up to 2 inch. Screwdrivers. Pliers. Fucking hammer stuff. Hammers. Extensions. Pry bars. Punches. Got them on a magnetic strip so they don't slide all over the place. Pipe wrenches, airlift, DEF fractometer, pressure test kit for coolant systems, bushing installers, coolant testers from Snap-on. Ball joint press underneath there. Impacts and drills, hair tools and electric all in the same drawer. It's my metric wrenches, 14 millimeters at home. Up to 32. A lot of the stuff I work on is standard, so I don't have as much metric as I do standard. Some more boxes, some adjustable wrenches and pullers. Screw extractors,